Mangoes are regarded as the king of fruits for a reason. In many of the nations where it is grown, it is treasured. The mango tree is the national tree of Bangladesh, and it is the national fruit of Pakistan, the Philippines, and India. The adoration for mangoes may also have something to do with its amazing flavor and unquestionable health advantages, many of which are beneficial to active older folks. The fact that India is the world's greatest producer of mangoes and consumes the majority of its harvest rather than exporting it could be attributed to all those health benefits. According to Dr. Andrea P. Thau, a former president of the American Optometric Association, certain nutrients, whether obtained from diet or supplements, can help retain your vision. Researchers have discovered a connection between certain nutrients and a lower incidence of eye problems. According to studies, lutein and zeaxanthin lower the chance of developing age-related macular degeneration and cataracts as well as other chronic eye illnesses. Green, leafy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and kale and brightly colored foods like tomatoes, peppers, egg yolks, and mangoes are examples of foods high in lutein and zeaxanthin. Mangoes don't contain as many antioxidants as blueberries or other dark fruits, but research shows that they help inhibit the development of some breast and colon cancer cells. Mango polyphenols have been shown to completely halt the growth of cancer cells in some instances. Mangoes could be the key to preventing obesity and its associated diseases. Mango was discovered to be a possible substitute for some common medications used to lower blood sugar and body fat in a previous study. Additional research revealed the beneficial effects of mango on glucose levels. Type 2 diabetes and heart disease can be avoided by controlling body fat and glucose levels. Mangoes did not affect the liver or bones negatively like the medicines they were compared to. For optimum health, many elderly persons don't consume enough B vitamins. Mangoes include vitamin B6, which is crucial for preserving and even enhancing brain function. Just half a cup of raw mangoes contains 10% of the daily recommended amount of vitamin B6. Smoothies for breakfast are a terrific addition of mangoes. Simply have a package of frozen mango chunks on hand to mix with banana, almond milk, and flaxseed powder for an early energy boost. It's very simple to make this strawberry mango smoothie recipe from 2 peas and their pod. Alternately, prepare a mango lassi, a mouth-watering Indian beverage made with mango and yogurt. The ideal sweet and sour side dish for chicken and fish for supper or as a snack with your preferred corn chips is mango sesame avocado salsa. Instead of ordering takeout tonight, consider cooking a Thai mango salad for that wonderful balance of sweet, salty, spicy, and sour.